Huawei will introduce its new watch. What's up friends? Welcome back to my channel and subscribe my channel for more latest videos. Thanks. This will be the first international wearable to feature the new TrueSense health monitoring system and Harmony OS. It will come in two different sizes and with a premium titanium model. With body and strap made from titanium alloys. The watch features the new TrueSense 6 sensor system and will be much more accurate health tracking. Huawei claims its new watch battery life up to 10 days than its predecessor and resembles the touch of nature in the dial as well as the smartwatch strap. The device has a 1.43 inches screen for the 46 mm and a 132 inches display panel for the 41 mm variant. Both feature amazing watch faces to uplift your mood. The dial has a snowflake design, giving a soft touch to the variable that makes the smartwatch special. TrueSense integrates medical data from parenters like hospitals and researchers, offering better heart rate accuracy, SpO2 readings, blood pressure, and sleep tracking. Although Huawei also promises mental health tracking, users can import GPS track onto offline maps via Huawei Health. Huawei already acquired ECG health certifications. Harmony OS also brings broader improvements, such as larger interactive notifications. Huawei remains a leader in wearable battery life. Huawei claims its new watch battery life up to 10 days. Thanks to its power efficient chipset. That's all for now and thanks for watching.